YouTube channel Deposition. Today in this video, I will be telling you all like how you can deposit your sequence data in NCBI portal and get your accession number, which is most important for for writing the thesis as well as to publish the papers. So like most of my juniors and my friends were asking me to help them to tell the protocol like what are the steps involved in deposition of the nucleotide sequence. So today we are here with this video. To begin with, first you need to log in with the Chrome. You need to search this as NCBI deposit portal, and you will be redirected to this site. And here you need to check out with genome. It will ask like what do you want to submit, like SARS-CoV, 16 RSNA, genome, ITS, SRA. Most of the like plant pathology students, if we are like we will be submitting the 16 RNA as well as the ITS. So we need to select one among them. And today I will be telling you both like 16 RNA and ITS. Okay, the moment we select the 16 RNA, it will show like a gene bank and SRA. And for our basic research studies and for our students, we need to submit here under gene bank. So don't mistakenly like submit in the SRA. Okay, click on gene bank. Okay, when you click on that gene bank, it will show you like what you should expect. Okay, and it gives some things. This submission tool is for specific data like types indicated below, like this like series of files it will show, and no need to bother all this. Just click on submit. Okay, and once you click on that, and it will redirect to the page of login where you need to log in. If you are already having an account in NCBI portal, no issues. If you don't have, click on the login, and it will help you like how to create. Like we have an option through the Google account also we can log in. And most importantly, there are some of the requirements what actually we need to do. See, when I say it is 16 SRNA we are submitting, it is all sequence should be of the prokaryote. Okay, and it is also said like okay, sequences from 454 Illumina or next generation sequences are accepted only if they are assembled. Means there are some different techniques. Okay, other than Sanger technology, there are some different techniques. If you are submitting your nucleotides from that technology, they has to be assembled from. Okay, if you're using that next generation sequencing technology, okay, that is one like what the precautions or some guidance given by the NCBI portal. Okay, once you create your account, just you can log in with your Google account. Okay, and it will show you like if you are already having account, it will show like if go for new submission, and if you have an existing one, you can continue with that also. Here I am focusing on new submission. Okay, once I click on this new submission, it will show whether the depositing what you're depositing, whether it is a prokaryote or it is a eukaryote or it is a virus or any synthetic construct. Since I am depositing and here a bacteria, I choose prokaryote and it will show these options like what do your sequence contain. Just click on solve like small subunit rRNA only, that is 16S RNA, because we are doing universal bacterial primers. Okay. Suppose this is with your fungi, that is eukaryote. Here you need to choose it as nuclear ribosomal RNA or rRNA ITS. Okay, we are using ITS here. So once you click on there, and this portal will get open. Here we are going to submit only ITS one only. That is the forward primer, like forward sequence what we get, right? That thing we are going to submit. In general, we are using ITS one and ITS four. But while depositing the sequence which is obtained by ITS one, okay, that is forward, that will be only submitted in the port. Okay, this should be ensured. So this is a basic difference. If you come across the prokaryote deposition, you need to select first option, that is 16S RNA. If it is in eukaryote, you should select ITS, and specifically below that ITS one only. Okay, and let us continue with the bacteria. It is somewhat different than fungi deposition. Like as I told, you will be selecting here 16S RNA, and it will show like if you any requirements, special requirements are there, it will show under here. And submission title, it is not compulsory. You can skip it. Just click on continue. Okay. Once you click on that, the submitted details will be asked. Like what is your institute? Okay, where you are studying, what is the pin code, everything. These details will be asked here. You need to fill it. Okay, your name, mail IDs, everything it will be asked, and you need to fill this and click on continue and update my contact information in the profile. Okay, and here this is very important because in the previous there were some requirements and guidelines. If you are using any kind of Illumina, Ion Torrent or 454, you need to specify. They have mentioned that you should use the assembled sequences. Since we are using this Sanger, Diadoxy sequencing, in general, we will be using this only because it is like cheap and best for student community for researchers. You can click on unassembled sequence traits. Okay, and click on continue. Once you do it, you will be asked with the two options. That is, when should the submission be released to the public? Release following processing. That is, once NCBI like authorities and the team members like check it and they can release, or you can set a date when it has to be released. But most of the time, student community choose release following processing. Okay. Next, specifically in bacteria, this option will be there. That is chimera check. Whether did you check and remove the low quality and chimeric sequences from your FASTA file prior to preparing this submission? Okay. Since we will not do any such checkup, okay, you can click on no. Okay, like if you have used any kind of what the tools like online tools to remove your low quality or chimeric sequences, you can use yes, and you should upload the technological tool which you have used. Okay, and culture uncultured. Obviously, it should be a pure culture stills which you will be using. Okay, and next here comes the sequence output. That is the FASTA file. Okay, this is the one which is to be uploaded. In the previous video when I was explaining about the bioedit tool, I told you like how to create the FASTA file. If you people have not watched that video, please go back and check my channel and check how to create a FASTA file. Okay. Next, after that, after uploading, click on continue. And this is my file, that is ginger rhizosphere lysine bacillus, which I have to be uploaded. So I will click on this and it will be uploaded. Okay, it will be uploaded now. It is showing right ginger rhizosphere lysine bacillus FASTA. You can delete and you can also change the file if you are mistaken it. Okay, next is the sequence release data. And this is very basic that it will show like please wait processing the data. Once you upload the file, it will take some time. Okay, next. Source modifier, like what is the source from where you have isolated? You need to name the strain, collection date, location. This is very important. Our place, district, state, and the country. In that order, you need to mention. And isolation source. It is from the ginger is where I have isolated and it is being collected by me. And if there are some many things, there is option called add field. Okay, you can add the strain. So many options you will be getting. Just click on that and you can add other things. And next is sequence. This is very important. See, because it is how your guides get the credit or you will get the credit. Okay, so you need to add all them. Okay, you can add one by one. Can made. Okay, here actually I mentioned myself and my member name. Okay, you can write your name, first name, last name, and publication status is unpublished. Since this research work is yet to be published, you have to click on unpublished data. Okay, and here you need to add a title. What actually this molecular characterization is all about. Like I have mentioned it as molecular characterization of bacterial agent associated with the ginger rhizosphere. Similarly, you can plan your own title. And here reference authors. Here you can click on like same as sequence authors. If you need to change, you can specify there also. Okay. Once you do it, you will get out with the submitter details and gene bank record preview. This is how it has will be shown. Okay. And once you click on submit, it will be showing you people here with submission ID submitted awaiting processing. And since it is an American based company like that platform NCBI portal, so most of the time if you do this work around 3 to 4 p.m. around or like before 2 to afternoon section, you will be getting your accession number faster. That is the only advantage if you do it. Okay. Hope so this video will be helpful for you people. So if you people come across any doubts, you can comment below our video. And if you feel like some many changes, like you people want me to uh, like present while explaining any sort of technologies or any related to research, you can comment it. Okay. And last, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Even I am a student, a senior, or a friend like you all, like of your age. Just I want to share the knowledge which I have for you all. I hope this video will be helpful for you all people. Please do like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.